his car at? That's what I'm trying to look for.
Yeah.
At the very, very front, most likely.
Most likely, right? Roll my window down.
Young Hispanic male.
Probably named Hector or Javier.
Fuck the police.
Hey, not Javi.
Underground.
Not my man Javi.
Oh, he did crash.
Where was he?
Got it on video.
Oh shit. Why did you go here? I'm glad you didn't drop your phone. Did you see the perp?
I did not.
Yeah, me neither. I wonder where he was.
Probably all hurt because look at the card.
Oh yeah, I think I know what happened. I think they already put him in the
Squad card.
in the back of a car, right?
Probably.
It's a Volvo. They're safe cars, so he probably survived unscathed. Did you see the one cop with the giant camera taking pictures of the
Yes,
inside?
I did.
Oh, excuse me. Hong Kong.
I guess his skills didn't meet his situation.
Well, we'll find out why he ran and what he did.
If it makes the news at all.
Oh,